In today's video, I'll show you how to add filters to your WooCommerce shop page, making it easier for customers to find products. Start by going to Appearance and then Editor in your WordPress dashboard. Open your product catalog template, which controls your shop page layout. Decide where you want the filters, either in the sidebar or above. The product grid works best. Next, add the product filters block. Inside this block, you can add inner blocks for filtering by price, attributes like color or size, stock availability, and ratings. Don't forget to include the active filters block so customers can see which filters are applied. Once everything is set up, save and preview your changes. When ready, publish the page. These filters work dynamically using Ajax, letting customers refine their search without reloading the page. And that's it. You've now made your WooCommerce shop easier to navigate, enhancing user experience and boosting potential sales.